What's the meaning of Carl Sandburg? Carl Sandburg. Carl Sandburg.
Carl Sandburg. Carl Sandburg. Carl Sandburg was an American writer and poet who wrote extensively about American culture, history, and society. He is best known for his poetry collections, including Chicago Poems and Cornhuskers, which capture the spirit of the American Midwest. Sandburg was also a biographer, journalist, and musician. He won 3 Pulitzer Prizes during his career, one for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. Sandburg's legacy continues to influence American literature and culture today.